Welcome back. MLA of Canacona should be interrogated for his involvement in Canacona building tragedy. Advocate Anaklet Viegas demanded this after Sessions Court reserved the order on anticipatory bail of municipal engineers Ajay Naik Desai and Ashank Desai. Viegas said builders should be arrested. The order for anticipatory bail has been reserved for 20th January.
The local MLA is involved, fully involved. We have information that he has two apartments in that building. And he was the one instrumental in expediting the grant of the occupation certificate. And therefore, they should first interrogate the local MLA. Detain and interrogate him thoroughly. And get all the agreements that he has got with him.
Anaklet Viegas said that builder has to be arrested.
The builder and the contractor and the structural engineer who has taken the responsibility in writing on 2 occasions before the plan is passed and before the occupation certificate is given, that he is solely responsible for the structure rules. Nobody else is responsible.
Special Public Prosecutor Advocate Rajiv Gomes said guilty will be booked.
From the prosecution, from our side, we will see that whoever is guilty in this offence is booked. We have to find out the connection of particular accused to the crime. Once we establish this connection, whoever is involved, however high and powerful he may be, all will be booked in the offence. If it is local MLA also, whatever it is, the investigation will proceed in the right direction. If the involvement of that MLA has come in the picture, then action will also be taken against him.
Meanwhile, NCP has strongly criticized Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar over Canacona building collapse tragedy. Trajana says that Goa Engineering College is non-controversial and should be given the responsibility of examining and investigating the strength of all buildings. He also wants CM to make the report public.
This government had appointed a committee, which is the most reliable committee of the Goa Engineering College. Now suddenly yesterday he says a committee of PWD has been appointed. It is very clear that no officer working under this Chief Minister can give an independent report. What is he trying to tell people? He should explain what he has received from the builders to make this U-turn.
Order on bail application of Canacona Chief Officer Prashant Shirodkar is reserved for 20th January. The builder and owner of Ruby Residency are still at large. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent. Goa celebrated its 47th Opinion Poll Day, or popularly known as Goincho Smita this on Thursday. Father of Opinion Poll Dr. Jack Sequeira's statue at Kalangut was garlanded on this occasion. However, some of the Goans were upset with the government for not holding formal function on the occasion.
Father of Opinion Poll Dr. Sequeira's statue at Kalangut was garlanded on this occasion. Punch member Joseph Sequeira along with Kalangut Panchayat members distributed garbage bins to the residents of Kalangut.
आणि आज आमच्या डॉक्टर जॅक सिक्वेराच्या 47th ओपिनियन पोला दिसा आम्ही ही दोन बिना एका घरान व्हरून पर्सनली एकलो वॉर्ड मेंबर थंय दितेले.
Jayat Prakashan also celebrated Opinion Poll Day. Some of the noted personalities were felicitated on the occasion.
विधानसभेतल्या वांगड्यांक अजून कळूंक ना हाचे खातीर तांकां आमी माफ करूंक जाय. कारण तांचे भितरलो प्रतापसिंगराव राणे सोडलो जाल्यार हेर सगळे भुरगी आशिल्ले. कोणी ओपिनियन पोलाच्या कॅम्पेनीत वांटो घेतलो नाच, पूण कितें घडटालें तें पळयलां काय ना हातूंत पसून म्हाका अनुभव आसा. ओपिनियन पोल दिसाचें म्हत्व कळटलें जाल्यार त्या वेळावेलो संघर्श कळपाची गरज आसा. आनी त्या संघर्शाचो हुलोप जाणी घेतला तांकां ताचें तें म्हत्व कळटा.
Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Congress seems regretting over following alliance dharma with the MGP. Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu alleged that the then Social Welfare Minister Sudin Daulikar had suppressed 26% OBC reservation file for 5 years. He says Congress government had mooted the proposal in 2006. Desh Prabhu says OBC reservation is an exercise of Congress. The BJP has got a ready plate to serve.
In September 2006, the Congress government in Goa passed a cabinet decision to bring OBC reservation to 26% OBC reservation. At that time, a social welfare minister, Mr. Sudin Davlikar, suppressed this file for 5 years, and that file did not see the light of day. But because of the coalition dharma and respect towards the coalition partners, the Congress party did not agitate against the person who actually suppressed this file for 5 long years. But what has happened today is that they have given 27% reservation and increased the number of communities which will be covered under this particular reservation. So the pie of reservation has been cut into smaller portions after what they did to Vishnu Surya Wagh, who is also one of the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, but largely a leader of the OBC. The BJP saw that the Bhandari Samaj was being weaned away in substantial number, and as an appeasement that they do not go away from the Bharatiya Janata Party, this kind of reservation has been brought post haste.
आज जे कितें देशप्रभू उलयला आनी तांकां इश्यू खबर नासतना हे लोकांक चुकीची म्हायती दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. हांव जेन्ना मिनिस्टर जालो तो 12 फेब्रुवारी 2008 जालो. 14% थंय डिमांड आयलो. एसटीन आपली डिमांड घातलो आनी हे दोनूय डिमांड एकठांय जाले नंतर रिजर्वेशन जी पॉलिसी आसा 50% वयर बाकीचे रिजर्वेशन घेवन ते 50% लागपाक लागले. त्या खातीर एक डिसिजन जालें त्या नंतर 2006 कॅबिनेट जाल्या नंतर की ही सगळी जनगणना आसा ती परत करची आनी अंडर दॅट डिपार्टमेंट जेन्ना म्हजे कडेन आयले तेन्ना एक टेंडर जाल्लें जे जनगणनेचें आनी ती जनगणना आशिल्ली ओबीसी कम्युनिटीची. ती आमी ओबीसी जी जनगणना आशिल्ली ती कंप्लीट करून विधानसभेत मांडली. जेन्ना ती विधानसभेत मांडली तेन्ना ताचेर डिस्कशन जालें आनी अशें दिसून आयलें की तातूंत खंय तरी त्रुटी आसा आनी ते त्रुटी सारक्यो करपा खातीर तांकां रिसर्वे करचें म्हणून आमी प्रयत्न केलो. आनी आज म्हाका हांव आनंदान सांगता की हें जें आमी काम केल्लें ताका लागूनच हें सबंद ओबीसीक फळ मेळिल्लें आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.